Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Python. Today, looking at dictionaries. And what are dictionaries? They're simply a way of storing one set of values or numbers and getting back another set of values or numbers. And so today we'll be looking at firstly writing them and then accessing them. How to access your stored dictionary. So first things first, I've made this text a bit bigger because I got a couple of comments saying that they couldn't quite read it. So yeah, that's what I've done. And so let's move on. Dictionaries use curly brackets, as you can see here. If we move towards the screen, move them the wrong way. So let's write our first one. So let's call this a shopping list. And what sort of things would we need in a shopping list? So let's have one, and then you have a colon. Oh, I've got a message here. Forget that. Let's keep moving. One, we're going to refer to as, let's say it is cookies. Love a bit of cookies. Two, we're going to have as bread. Let's choose some real staple stuff. Three, colon, always colon. Let's call it cereal. Let's get this staple stuff sorted. And let's have one more. Four. Let's choose. Oh, so much. Bananas. Oh, I forgot to put the equal sign there. There we go. So let's store that. Now, we've got our list. It's stored. So now, how do we access it? So let's do a print. And we're going to print, and then in normal brackets or parentheses, we're going to have shopping list. And hopefully that works. Yes. You see here on our output, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what if we wanted to access only one part of the dictionary? So let's do that. Because we've got a number here, we're going to use square brackets because we're now accessing part of this dictionary, so we don't need to use the old dictionary itself. We're going to get the first position. And let's print that. So hopefully we should have cookies. And we do on our output. Cookies here. And we can do the same for whatever. Cereal. Print number 3. 3 refers to cereal. This is what I mean when you can say you have one thing and then it prints out and it refers to another thing. So we put in number 3 and it came out as cereal because that's what we put as number 3 in the dictionary. Because number 3 is defined as cereal. So let's change this. Let's have, in our shopping list, let's swap this. Let's have words referring to numbers. How's that? Let's have apples is 1. Oh yeah. Forgot to do that. And let's just have 2 pears. Apples and pears. Can't beat it. 2. Let's store. I don't know. And then we simply type in that, and apples refers to 1. What happens if we can also do a number referring to another number. Let's have 2 for 1, 1. Let's say 3 for 2, keeping the shopping theme, of course. And we can change this up a bit. Let's use something else. Let's get something. Oh, I want to show you that. There we go. So you get a nice helpful list here, courtesy of Anaconda. Get, and then we can put 2 for 1. Oh, error message there. Do you know why? Because we don't need those square brackets. There we go, 2 for 1, 1. And if we wanted to get the whole dictionary here, we can just print shopping list, and it prints it all. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. That's what I'm going to go through for today. And check out my other tutorials for all sorts of knowledge on Python, and also some Excel videos out there. I think it's 35 Excel videos going over lots of different functions, including creating independent tables and comparing VLOOKUP against index and match. And if you really enjoyed the video, subscribe, click that button, subscribe, and you'll get notifications if you want, and you will just be part of this amazing AnalystRising world. Thank you very much.